uma ngabe sesingasekho emhlabeni sekumele kufunakala ukuthi ubani ozosingcwaba nokuthi bapha abantu ekade kuyibona ekade ehlala nabo ubaba kaZakhele. Oh, yobe wechoncho nakho sekuwa amaplangwe la studio.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Hey doll, unondaba ofika nezindaba every single week right here kwiGagasi FM News Wrap. Nazi engifika nazo angikubingelele. Ungenze njani uma ngathiwa ubaba wakho ngakaze akunakekele kuthiwa mfihle? We'll tell you ukuthi enye insizwa yenze njani izwa lokho. Kodwa-ke kuke kwakhishwa isabelo seyimali, that's the budget speech that was made by Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana a couple of days ago. Ngesikhathi yenza le finance speech, nakho akushilo sike sishiyisingisi nje kancane. Kuthiwa-ke kuzoba nezinto ezingcono kubantu abaningi. Wena othola imali ye-grant iyanyuka leyo mali ye-grant, noma ngabe yiphi imali ye-grant oyitholayo, kodwa enganyuki yilabo 350 esaqala ukubathola nge-COVID. Bona bazohlala-ke benjalo, ibizwa nge-social relief leyo. Kanti-ke kuthiwa sizoqhubeka siyithole leyo mali ukuze kube u-2027. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi ukhokha intela i-pay as you earn, wena osebenzayo, kakhulukazi wena oke wangena kwi-tax bracket entsha, wabona engathi intela iyanyuka, uzojabula-ke ngoba uma ngabe ukhokha intela izothi ukwehla kuwena. Kuyasho-ke ukuthi-ke ungathi nentela usazi ayi-collectayo i-tax leyo is looking a bit better in the last year. Ungathi seseyikhokha intela ngoba ungathi abanye bebeyibalekela usazi aze asijahe yena ukuthi hey, lethi imali yami. Lokho-ke kusizile ukuthi njengoba sekuthiwa i-tax ethathwa kuthina izothi ukwehla. Bese kuba khona nalento-ke ekuthiwa i-sin tax. I-sin tax ile mali yotshwala, uma kuwukuthi siyaphuza imali yagwayi iyanyuka-ke yona, sesizokhokha imali ethi ayithi caca, more money if you are a person who drinks alcohol or who smokes cigarettes. Angazi-ke ukuthi wena ufithaphi lapho ekubhemeni kogwayi, mhlawumbe uyajabula nje uthi hayi, awuke kunyuke vela siphuzi thina, kodwa-ke wena-ke hlangana nawe kuleziya iy'ndawo ayi kunzima. Kube khona-ke imali ka-petrol no diesel, nayo ungathi izokhuphuka-ke. Bantu abaney'moto ukuthi lindelani lapho ukuthi senizothi ukukhokha imali ethi ayibe ngaphezudlwana uma kuwukuthi u-driver imoto noma u-driver i-truck, ngoba iyanyuka leyo mali. Clearly, the recent budget is looking at the times that we're living in. Kuyasho ukuthi impela izinga lempilo noma inani lempilo seliyabiza than before. So it's actually helping a lot of us to have better money and to probably even stretch our money a bit better. But angazi noma siyayifila yini ngoba kunyuke kwasani uma ngabe uyabheka. Kuyasho ukuthi we can't afford the lives that we could afford just a couple of years ago. So kungcono uma ngabe kuwukuthi mhlambe khona la bezwela khona ukuthi yebo izinto ziyanyuka, kodwa intela yona ithi ukuba ngconywana uma kuwukuthi awusebenzi uthola ama-social grants, nemali oyitholayo ye-grant ithi ayinyuke. Nabo labo 350 that started to appear in our grants system ngesikhathi se-COVID ukuthi bayaqhubeka for at least an extra year. So into enhle leyo ukuthi lezi zinto ungathi ziyaqhubeka kancane. Bese-ke kuba i-Special Investigating Unit ethole ukuthi there's a lot of ubukhoshosho obenzekayo laphaya kwa-Home Affairs when it comes to ukuthengisa ubuzwe bethu or documents to enter South Africa. Asike silalele.
The Special Investigating Unit has uncovered a disturbing reality. South Africa's immigration system has been treated as a marketplace where permits and visas are sold to the highest bidder. Officials entrusted with safeguarding the integrity of the Department of Home Affairs, instead of turning their position into a profit-making scheme, while external actors including Prophet Shepherd Bushiri, Mr. Mpofu, and a Nigerian rapper, which is Prince Obioma, exploited influence, fabricated documentation, and manipulated systems weaknesses to secure permanent residence.
ISouth Africa isenkingeni siyezwa ukuthi amazwe afana no-Ireland have actually stopped allowing us ukuthi siye khona ko-Ireland without the need of a visa. Sekumele siwa-aplayele lawo mavisa. What did they cite? Abantu abafika kulawo mazwe ngenxa yokuthi bathole ama-documents ngokomgunyathi here in South Africa. So this has massive implications even for thina abantu base-South Africa, ikakhulukazi uma umuntu otravelayo wenza ibhizinisi kwamanye amazwe ukuthi they start not trusting the South African passport and other South African documents ukuthi engabe awa ngempela yini ngenxa yalabantu abasebenzela u-Home Affairs abadayisa lama documents. Ekuthiwa abanye benza millions and millions nawe kodwa umuntu osebenza kwa-Home Affairs. Siyacela ukuthi uzwele nathi bantu base-South Africa ukuthi ube nathi nama-documents akho owa-issuwayo ukuthi wazi ukuthi you issuing them to us South Africans, because this has massive implications. Abanye bayakhala ukuthi mhlawumbe umsebenzi akawutholi nje ngoba uye kumuntu othole ama-documents fraudulently. Mhlawumbe ingane ayingene esikoleni nje ngoba iye kumuntu ingane yakhe engene fraudulently eSouth Africa. So siyacela ukuthi nani bantu baka-Home Affairs anenze umsebenzi ngendlela, niyeke ukuba nale greed ekhona that leads to these millions that you are getting in your pockets just because udayisa ubuzwe balelizwe. All right, so asiye lapha in Pietermaritzburg. Khona insizwa yakaCindi uZakhele Cindi uthi inkinga yakhe akafuni noma ubengafuni ukuthi amngcwabe ubaba wakhe njengoba kade kuthiwa usemakhazeni ahulumeni. Usitshelile ukuthi what's the problem was?
Ubaba sibenenkinga kakhulu naye enkulu kakhulu yabo ngoba njengoba ngibophisa nje wenza i-position order bengivele naye vele ngibona ukuthi vele ubudlelwane bamabukho right ngenxa abantu besifazana abangena phakathi kwethu naye yabo. So kwabuhlungu mase ngenza i-position order ke sethi mina ngimthathele into zakhe ngiyamjaha ngembese ngimenzani. Lokho ke kwi-position order ikona kakhulu okungenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphuma ngwavele ungishiye vele ngena ID. So ngaze ngithi ke ngcono ngifunda ukuzimela, ngifunda ukuziphatha emphakathini kuze ngathola njengesiqhwanqhwangu bese kuthwala umuntu vele wakhila ngana ID ngcono vele idingiswe.
Well, ugcine emfihlile ubaba wakhe emva ukuthi kungenelele abantu abaningi nawo uhulumeni umncenga ukuthi akagcine emfihlile ubaba wakhe. Kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bazothi usiko luthi awukwazi ukumlahla umuntu omdala ngoba uma sefikile kwelizayo uyena oba inhlanhla zakho. Kodwa kumele silibukisise futhi usiko ukuthi umuntu ongazange abe nendaba nawe usela wangakwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola i-ID awunayo ne-birth certificate ngake impilo imile, kodwa ekumeni kwempilo kuthiwa wena kumele umthathe uma engasekho uyomfihla because once they get to the other side uyena ozoba inhlanhla zakho. Also a South African man, kuyashiwo ukuthi 70% of black men, 70% wamadoda abantu abamnyama are not raising their children at all. Lokho kuhlukile kuno 90% wamandiyo 80% wabelungu akuyibona abahlala nezingane zabo ekhaya bayikhulise bona. So why are we as a black men in South Africa not raising our children? And then uma sesisucceed sesifuna kwazi ukuthi ingane yami leya uma ngabe sesingasekho emhlabeni sekumele kufunakala ukuthi ubani ozosingcwaba nokuthi bapha abantu ekade kuyibona ekade hlala nabo ubaba kaZakhele. Oh yobe wechonco nakho sekuwa amaplangwe la e-studio. Kodwa ke ushilo uZakhele ukuthi washintsha isibongo ngoba ubaba wakhe owakachonco uthini usebenzisa uCindi ngoba akasifuni isibongo sika baba wakhe lo amfihlile. Kodwa ke we need to look at ourselves ngempela as South African men because sometimes ekuthenini izingane zethu asizondli asinakekele asikhulisi ezinye azinawo nama documents njengaye uZakhele leads to issues like the issue we've just had, this issue yokuthi uzofihlwa ubani sewungasekho. Ibheke kuthina sonke siyamadoda ase-South Africa amnyama ikakhulukazi. All right, that's it. That's all we have for you. You can find this as you can find all our other podcasts on the Gagasi FM app. I-app yethu le ongathola kuyona le program, uthole namanye ama-programs ukuthi ulalele ukuthi senzani la kwi-Gagasi FM. Kodwa-ke nawe ukhomenta khona la if you want to be a part of the conversation. So from me, Siphumelele Zondi, nalo lonke ithimba leGagasi FM News Wrap. Sivala la mina nawe sohlangana bukhoma la sesihlangane khona sesiyidingida uma sesibonana. Salahle.
Catch a brand new episode njalo ngolwesihlanu ngo-4 ntambama. You can watch the podcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.